In this video, we're going to talk about the pacer mode of the Zoll. Similarly to synchronized cardioversion, you would need to have your Zoll pads and 3-lead connected in order to be able to deliver the pacing shocks. We're going to turn on to the green pacer mode. You'll begin to see pacer spikes for your set rate show up underneath your underlying rhythm up top. We're going to dial our rate to what our ordered pacing rate is. We'll say for this scenario 140. So now the rate is set to 140 pulses per minute, and you see the pacer spikes have increased appropriately to that rate change. You will still, however, at this time only see the baby's underlying rhythm up top because we have not yet dialed out any output to achieve capture. That's what we're going to do next. We're going to dial our output until we see an QRS complex with every pacer spike. For babies, a good starting point is anywhere from 40 to 80. So we'll go to 40 and slowly go up until we see a QRS complex with every pacer spike. Let's say that we achieved capture at 50. That would be our threshold. Once achieving capture, you want to make sure you don't lose it. So we're going to dial our output up 10% higher than the threshold. So we'll say 56 since it counts by 2. It's important to not lose capture once you achieve it because it's then typically harder to re-achieve capture the next time. Let's say we've been pacing the baby for a while and we want to see if their underlying rhythm has improved without pacing. But like I said, we don't want to lose capture because it might be harder to achieve the next time. That's where this 4-in-1 button comes in handy. We're going to press and hold that button until we see the pacer spikes start to fall off. What's happening here is 3 out of every 4 impulses are being suppressed, so we can see the underlying rhythm the baby has in between the pacer spikes. Once we are able to assess that, we can release the button and the pacers will start delivering the set rate again without losing capture.